Hello, grade one. How are you all? I hope you're staying safe and enjoying staying at home. In the previous session, we talked about how to describe two-dimensional shapes. Okay, we said that the dimensional shapes are plane shapes that can be drawn on a flat surface such as a paper. Okay, so again, two-dimensional shapes are plane shapes that can be drawn on a flat surface such as a paper. We can draw the 2D shapes on a flat surface such as a paper. This is the first feature. We already read that before and learned that before in our previous sessions, but we are going just to refresh and about this information, and I'm going to add another piece of information, another new piece of information in this session. Okay, so I want you to pay your full attention. So number one, two-dimensional shapes are plane shapes that can be drawn on a flat surface such as a paper. And number two, it has two measurements. We said that two-dimensional shapes have two measurements, length and width. Okay, so that's why they're known as two-dimensional or 2D shapes. And I already showed you some examples of 2D shapes. Okay. We also talked about one attribute of describing 2D shapes. We have two attributes of describing 2D shapes. Okay, the first attribute, we said that these are the figures that we, or I mean the shapes that we discussed in the last session. Let us remember together what did we say in the previous session in order to move on to the new piece of information that we are going to know today. Okay, this is the hexagon. As you can see, this is the hexagon. Okay, we already said the hexagon has 6 straight sides. This is the first straight side, this is the other straight side, this is the third straight side, fourth straight side, fifth and sixth straight side. So again, the hexagon has 6 straight sides. Now, we said that the rectangle has 4 straight sides. This is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Okay. We also talked about the square. The square has 4 equal straight sides because, as you can see, that the 4 sides are equal. Okay. So the square again has 4 equal straight sides. We also talked about the trapezoid, okay, and we said that the trapezoid has 4 straight sides as well, okay. This is the first straight side, the second, the third, and the fourth, okay. So the trapezoid has 4 straight sides. The triangle has 3 straight sides, which are this, and this. Okay, so these are the 3 straight sides. This is what we talked about in our previous session. Okay,